Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Cadillac XT4. The Cadillac XT4 is a bold new crossover with functionality galore. Compact in size, but not in features, technology, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.